So hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Flipkart not working problem solve. Step number 1, you should check your data connection once. If it is not on, then please turn it on. Step number 2, you have to go for Play Store once and search for Flipkart app. After searching this, so guys, make sure that your Flipkart app should be updated. After updating this Flipkart app, come to the setting once. After coming to the setting, search for app management. After searching this app management, click to the app list, and clicking to the app list, search for Flipkart app. So after getting this, press to the force stop, and after that click to the storage users. After clicking these storage users, click in this spot, clear cache and clear data. After doing this, come to the permission ones and to the storage. Make sure that your app should be allow. After allowing this, once more you have to go back to the setting once and search for software update. So guys, if your mobile is not updated, so update it now. So if it is not working, then switch off your mobile once and switch on. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.